Objective Geology, multiple choice questions with answers. This is the solved question paper of APRCET exam, that is Geoengineering and Geoinformatics 2023 solved question paper, and I hope this is useful for various competitive exams like CSIR, NET, GATE, GSI and other exams. Welcome to set 1. Coming to the first question. Which of the following is not a division of ocean floors? A. Deep sea plains, B. Continental slopes, C. Continental shelves and D. Continental deeps. So the correct option is continental slopes. So continental slopes are regions of steeply sloping seafloor that lie between the continental shelves and the deep ocean basins. So this is not a division of the ocean floor. Next question. Consider the following statements. A. Continental crust is lighter than oceanic crust. B. The boundary between the mantle and the core is demarcated by Gutenberg discontinuity. And A. Only A is correct. B. Only B is correct. C. Both A and B are correct. And D. Both A and B are incorrect. So by considering the following statements, both the A and B are correct. Like continental crust is lighter than the oceanic crust, and the boundary between the mantle and the core is demarcated by Gutenberg discontinuity. So that's why both A and B are correct. C is the correct option. Next question. What percentage of the ocean's water does the deep layer hold? A. 50%, B. 60%, C. 80% and D. 30%. So 50% of the ocean's water it does the deep layer hold. The deep layer of the oceans can hold 50% of the water. So that's why A is the correct option. Next question. Which among the following is true? A. The crust constitutes by 1% by volume of the earth, and B. The innermost layer over the earth's surface is called crust, and C. The mantle is responsible for earth magnetic field, and D. India is divided into 7 earthquake zones or seismic zones. So from this the correct option is the crust constitutes by 1% by volume of the earth. So the earth's crust makes about 1% of the earth's volume and mass. So that's why A is the correct answer. Next question. Sequence of layers starting from the earth's surface: 1. Troposphere, 2. Exosphere, 3. Stratosphere, 4. Thermosphere and 5. Mesosphere. So from this the sequence of the layer from the earth's surface is the choices given are A, B, C and D are given. So from this the correct option goes as the sequence from the earth's surface is like first is the troposphere, next is the stratosphere, and next is the mesosphere, and next is the thermosphere, and next is the exosphere. So that's why C is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following is direct source of information about the interior of the earth? A. Mining activities, B. Seismic activities and volcanic activities, C. Deep ocean drilling activities, and D. Infrastructure activities. So the correct information regarding the direct source of information about the interior of the earth is from the seismic activities and volcanic activities. So B is the correct option. Next question. Match the following which are associated with the so A like largest and deepest ocean, and B S-shaped ocean, and C Madagascar is located, and here the oceans are given like Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and the choices given are A. A1, B2, C3, B. A2, B1, C3, and C. A1, B3 and C2, whereas D is given as A3, B2 and C1. So from this the correct option goes as D, that is the largest and the deepest ocean is the Pacific Ocean, and S-shaped ocean. S-shaped ocean is known as Atlantic Ocean is S-shaped, and Madagascar is located in the Indian Ocean. So that's why D is the correct option. Next question. Which layer extends from 6,000 meters to the bottom of the deepest parts of the ocean? The choices are A. Hadapelagic zone, and B. Abyssopelagic zone, C. Pelagic zone, and D. Neritic zone. So the correct option is Hadal pelagic zone. So the Hadal pelagic zone is also known as the Hadal zone, and it is the deepest part of the ocean. This is extending from 6,000 meters to 11,000 meters below the sea level. So that's why A. Hadal pelagic zone is the correct answer. Next question. Which unit is used to measure the astronomical distance? Very simple question. So the choices are A. Leap year, B. second year, C. century, and D. light year. Obviously, light year it is used to measure the astronomical distance. A light year is a unit of the length that astronomers use to measure the distance between the objects in space. So it is the distance that light travels in 1 year, which is about 5.88 trillion miles. So this is roughly around 9.46 trillion kilometers. So D. light year is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following rock exhibits the highest compressive strength? A. granite, B. laterite, C. limestone, and D. gneiss. So out of this, gneiss exhibits the highest compressive strength when compared to granite, laterite, and limestone. So that's why D is the correct option. Next question. Sandstone is generally weak in A. hardness, B. abrasion, C. compression, D. tension. Sandstone is generally weak in abrasion, whereas it has a hardness, compression, and tension. Next question. Granite is mainly composed of, very simple question, A. quartz feldspar, B. quartz clay, C. quartz sandstone, and D. feldspar and clay. So granite is mainly composed of, it's an igneous rock. It is generally composed of quartz and feldspar. A is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following physical properties is likely to be most useful in identifying a mineral? A. streak, B. hardness, C. density, D. luster. So the property which is likely to be more useful in identifying a mineral is known as a hardness. This is also known as a Mohs scale of hardness. So this is very important in identifying a mineral. So that's why B. hardness is the correct option. Next question. Dash of the property of the stone can be determined by subjecting it to hammering blow. A. hardness, B. toughness, C. attrition, and D. dressing. So the property which can be of a stone that can be determined by subjecting it to a blowing hammer is known as a toughness. So how tough it is. So that's why B. toughness is the correct answer. Next question. Which rocks are formed by cooling of the molten lava or on or inside the earth's surface during the volcanic eruption? So this is also a very simple question. A. calcareous rocks, B. metamorphic rock, C. sedimentary rock, and D. igneous rock. Obviously, igneous rocks are formed by the cooling of the molten lava on or inside the earth's surface during the volcanic eruption. Next question. Which of the following rocks are those which exhibits distinct layers which can be separated? So that means which can have separate layers or distinct layering habit. A. argillaceous rock, B. stratified rock, C. calcareous rock, and D. sedimentary rock. So the rocks which exhibits distinct layers that can be separated are known as a stratified rock, which have a very identical and distinct layers. So that's why B. stratified rock is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is the group of the silicate minerals that have perfect cleavage so that they split into thin plates? So A. feldspar, B. gypsum, C. mica, D. quartz. So the group of silicate minerals that have a very perfect cleavage, that is perfect basal cleavage, and they split into thin plates, these are known as a mica. C. mica is the correct option. Next question. Which among the following mineral is made up of a pure element? This is also a very simple question. A. coal, B. glass, C. copper, D. quartz. So the mineral, out of this, the copper, it is made up of a pure element, whereas the other, they are composed of the other combination of the element. So that's why C. copper is the correct answer. Next question. Halite dominantly occurs within the sedimentary rocks where it has formed from the A. cooling of magma, B. evaporation of sea water or salty lake water, and C. cooling of lava, D. crystallization of hot water solution on the ocean floor. Halite is also known as that is NaCl. So this is commonly occurs within the sedimentary rocks where when it is formed from the evaporation of the sea water or salty lake water. So that's why B is the correct option. Next question. which describes the light that is highly reflected from the mineral surface. So the property, the physical property of a mineral which describes the light is highly reflected from the surface of a mineral. So this the options given are A streak, B density, C fluorescence, and D luster. So obviously luster is the property of a mineral that describes the light reflected from the mineral surface. So that's why D luster is the correct option. Hope you have followed these questions, and see you in the next part for the more questions, and hope you can subscribe to the Explore Geosciences. Thank you for your time.